Hello guys, this is sms.mobi.in panel, SMS panel. So we are going to log in into this with a demo account. This is the enterprise login where on the dashboard we are showcasing total submit, total delivered, total failed, and the monthly report, uh, daily report, like how what is the count, and the tracking report that how many clicks are being received for on the specific date for a specific campaign. Apart from that, next, we are having the SMS campaign. So first of all, we have to create the URL shortener. So in the URL, already few like sample shorteners are created, sample URLs. We just have to go like if we want to create for Domino's, we have to give a title, and then it is like we have to mention the Domino's.com. If there is a variable in the your URL, then you just have to mention like this where one and then where, and this where one means that uh, you have to mention it in the file which you are going to upload it. So this the first column of your Excel file will be for MSIGM, and the next column is where one, and the third column is where two, fourth column is where three. So like this you have to go through. Okay. So right now we are just going for where. We are just going for only the Domino's.com, and then you submit. We will get this URL shortener. Okay. So whenever the next is your address book, you can create a name, or you can submit. You can select an existing name, or you can go for a new group, and then you have to test Mobi, and then you have to select a file. So I'm going to select a file of 10 lakh, 10 lakh numbers. This we have submitted, and it will be uploaded with the name. So number is choose, so it is going to take some time for uploading. So this is being uploaded, and you can see it here. Like test mobile, we have given the name, okay, and created date. Then you have to go for the template registration. In the template registration, like few entries are there, sample entries. So you just have to fill in the template name, the unique name which you can give any name, header, PID, content ID, and the template, the exact template which you have to fill in, and then you have to submit it. Okay, you can upload it via file also, and for the sample file you have to download this one. After the template registration, you have to create a campaign. For these are the campaign templates actually, which you can use like which you can use it readily, and it's like campaign name you have to give. Like if I am going to give test movie, then the account you have to select, and from the header, you have to select the template which we have already registered on the previous screen which I have shown. So you have to select it, and then there is no like you can select the tracking URL also. Like I have created a Domino's one, so you will get this Domino's, and you have to replace it with the variable on the variable which you want. Okay. And then you have to submit it. Okay, so your test Mobi has been created, okay, with the Domino's. So now your tracking URL is this. This one is your Domino's. So whenever your message will be sent, it will be sent via replacing the short URL, okay, short URL domain of our panel, and then you can go directly to the compose message. So in the compose message, you are having the option to just mention the like you can do it here. You can create your own campaign, okay, or you can select a already created campaign. Okay, so if we'll go for test module, this one is we just created. Okay, so all the details are there. You just have to go for the if you have to fill in the numbers, okay, or you can go for a file upload, okay, or you can also go for address book. From the address book, you can select like these are the counts which this test module we have created. Just so you can go for file upload and address book, everything. So we'll go for the file upload, and we are going to upload the same file again. Okay, so this is the template file. We are going to upload it. See, yeah, it is uploaded successfully. Then we can schedule it for immediate, or you can go for later date also. And there is a validity like for SMS validity, how much after what validity you want to be your message to be like expired, like for 5 minutes, like if you are using OTP or something which you want to be expired in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or okay, if there is some like limited time promotion, so you can select 1 hour, okay, and then you have to review it. So you can check all the details which you have filled in, that your this one is encoding is GSM not Unicode, how much messages are. So this is just to re-verify, and then you have to submit the. I'm not submitting right now because it will be executed. Okay, and as soon as you will execute, it will be shown in the scheduled campaign list until unless it is being picked. And once it is being picked, it will be removed from scheduled campaign list, and it will be shown in the running campaign. So in the running campaign, you can see the direct campaign. So like you can check the numbers that they are growing, they are like submitting. So if your 10 lakh campaign is there, so as soon as you will refresh, the counter is going to be changed, that how much some count is there and how much is remaining. Then this is all about your campaign. Then we are having the summary. So today's stat will show you that for a specific account, that this will show you the CDR of the same date, so that you can monitor the live CDRs. And if you have to download the previous date data, then you have to go like this, and there is already you have to go for the account username account, and then you have to select the date. If I will select for from 1st April to 8th of April, and then I will submit. Your request will be in queue, and once it will be, your link will be created, your file will be downloaded, all the files. So it is going to show the link like this. Okay, so let me show you this one once. So it is going to ask that you have to save it or not. You can name anything. This is for 5th April. So a zip file will be created for the 5th April. Yeah. So this is the zip file. You can go inside and we can check. Yeah, file is there. I think only one or two records are there, so it will be, yeah, few records are there only. So these are the numbers, these are the complete details, like what was the submit time, DLR time, and everything. What was the sender ID? Okay. So if there will be data for multiple days, then it will be like created in the different files in the energy file, like it has been created now from first to eighth. So if I'll download this one with the name first to eighth, save it. So it is going to show me the multiple files now. For each and every date, there will be a separate file. So I'll show you. These are all for first, for so no like for first, second, third, all the files have been created. Okay. Next is your tracking summary. Tracking summary is like you can check the number of clicks, okay, and your campaign, your date, campaign date, and when you click on the clicks, and you can see the complete data at how the number which click the so you can download it also from the Excel. Okay. So you can like all the inner records are being shown here. Then next is your user summary. Like you can have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can have SMPP account also or API account also, not only the web panel under one enterprise. So you can see the complete like which account has sent how many messages, how many messages are delivered, how many are failed. And the next one is your campaign summary. Campaign summary is just for the like which the user have used the bulk push from the panel. Okay, so if any SMPP or API data will be there, it will not be shown here. Okay, so this is the campaign one. Okay. So today there is no SMS, so I cannot show you. Today is 8th of April. This is all, and here you can see the other credit also. Like account is prepaid, and how much credit is there. The, the enterprise, the user type is enterprise, and the name of it, the enterprise is demo underscore mod. From here you can change the theme. You can change it to dark theme or light theme as per your convenience. Thank you.